Okay, now, hi everyone. Mr. Zaki with you. We want to solve the question in math Mahoob. Okay, Aus, can you read the questions?
Okay. Let A, B, and C complete on 100-meter running. When A finished, 10 meters were remaining for B. When B finished, 10 meters were remaining for C. How many meters were remaining for C when A finished? 20. It's easy.
Right. The questions will be in the exam like this. Look here, my student. Say,
oh, this is easy.
Let A and B and C 100-meter running. Now we have here A arrive the end. Also before A, okay, that will be here. It will be B and will be here A. Between them, 10 meters. Also between C and B, also 10 meters. So the questions, how meters will be remaining for C when A finish? No, not 20. Look, not 20. So look now. If I want to ask you how many numbers between 3 and 7? How many number between 3 and 7? No.
4.
Yes.
If C had 10 meters left, and when B finished, C had 10 meters, 10 plus 10 is 20.
Look, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Said between them. So will be what? 3 numbers, right? So what will I do? So end minus beginning minus 1. The end is 7. In the beginning, start 3 minus 1, get what? 3. Right? If said from 3 to 7, how many numbers? Not, no. 20. No, here. From 3 to 7.
4.
Not 4. Look, from 3 to 7, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. How many numbers?
4.
5 numbers.
5.
If said from, so we 3 and 7 with us. If said between 3 and 7, cancel. So here, what is the ruler? So end minus beginning plus what? 1. 7 minus 3 plus 1 equals what? How many numbers? 5 numbers. So here, between A and C, the end from C to A is 20, right? Because 10 minus this will be finished, will be 0, minus 1 equals what? 19. So the answer is what? 19.
Sir, let's understand. It should be 20 because 10 meters was remaining for B when A finished, 10 meters was remaining for B. So that's 10. And then when B finished, 10 meters was remaining for C. So 20 plus 20 is 10 plus 10 is 20.
Right. Now, when finish A,
You get
when finish A, then how many meters will be between C to the end? Will be 19, not 20.
oh.
But Mister, I have a question.
From where the one?
Yeah, I show you this like this.
Ew, why did you say what's like the number between 3 and 7? And how many numbers between 3 and 7? Why did you ask
No,
that?
this example from me. Example, this is not for questions.
Oh,
This
Mister,
I
I have a
want
question.
when you add 1, when you subtract 1. That I want to show you. When you subtract
now I
minus 1,
understand.
when you add 1, right? Okay.
Mr.
No,
Number 22. Who wants to read?
I have a question.
What is it?
I want to read. Can I read? Why did you I want to read. One and then subtract one. Give me videos.
Yeah, when you subtract, if said between, that's subtract 1. Okay, Risan, read the question, Risan.
The one. Each edit is the diagram has length 1. What is the length of the longest path that can be followed along the edit?
Right.
Starting a vertex and without revisiting any vertex.
Yes. Now we want to find.
I
Yeah,
didn't understand the other question. From where did you get the one?
I said I show you. If you said from 3 to 7, if you we want to between that, you can calculate 3 and 7. So the 7 minus 3 minus 1. This is the rule. We have the rule.
And 3.
What?
There was no 7 and 3.
Yeah, that's from 0 to 20. So the same rule. 20 minus 0 minus 1 equals what? 19.
Where did you get the one?
Yeah,
That's
this a rule. This a
It's
rule.
a rule.
Oh. Like you have to put the one. It's a rule.
Yeah.
Okay, now what is the long line here? Because each the length will be 1. No, yes, here we said without revisiting any vertex. Yes, you can start from a rectangle. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So what is it? 10. So the answer is 10.
No, it's 11, I think. Yes, because you could go down and then line to the 12.
You come where and
Now,
trying
you don't
between
pass the vertex 2 times. Don't pass the vertex 2 times. Yeah, maybe you can go to another way because we want the long one. Okay, another way. Look, another way. This you can. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. I can't put this also. I can, because we'll be here 2 times. So only 1 time the vertex. Look, only you pass one time. Okay?
Okay.
So the answer is 10. So the answer, the long one is 10. Okay, number 23.
Can
Who
I
wants
read?
to read? Yes.
Read.
Who?
Okay. Me, I am
Misa
Misa.
also? Yeah, okay, Misa.
And the multiplication shown in the diagram, T, R, A, and P are all different digits. What is the value of R?
What is the value of R? Yeah, here the same word. Look, my student, here bad and change the letter tra, right? Yeah. Here, what will I do? How many numbers? Oh, how many digits? 4 digits, right? So no need to put more than 1 on your hand. So this 1 and T, when you multiply, so you get the small number. If you put 2, will be 18, right? So you must put what? You
1.
put 1. Why 1? Because 9 times 1 is 9. Only 9. More, not more than 11. So T is 1. So is here 1. Right? Also,
I didn't understand. Can you repeat?
yes, yes. Here we substitute. 9 times 1 is 9. Put it be 9, be here 9. Right? 9 times 9 is 81. Put here 8. So what's the number between A and R? If you put 8 here, 9 times 8, 72. With 8 equals what? 80. So will be here 0 and will be here 8.
Why we put 8?
So the number is 1089. R equals what?
Mister, where did you bring the 189 and
Can you
understand?
Okay, I will be repeat again. I will be repeat. 9 with what? 9 we multiply by 1 is 9.
Mister, I can't hear.
I don't
Yes,
he's talking.
my student. Okay.
Yes.
Here,
Value of
yeah, we try to put 0. Okay, R is 0. This we put 0. Here we put 0. Right? 9 times what? To get only 1 digit. Yeah, only we have 1. If you put 2, will be more than 2 digit. 9 times 1 is what? Is 9. Then when
I don't
what?
understand. I still don't understand. Why T is 1? Why T is 1?
Because if you multiply 9 times 1, you get only 1 digit. If you put 2, 9 times 2 will be you get 18. So we have 2 digits.
So we don't want to remember?
We need only 1 digit. Then what will I do? T is 1, P is 9. You put 9 here. 9 times 9 is 81. 1 put down and 8 put up. 9, or no need, 9 times what to get the same here? 8. So because we have 0 here, so we put 8. 9 times 8 is 72 plus 8, so equals 80. So put 0 down and 8.
I only understand it until because you put in the P up, you put 9 because down it's 9. You put 9, then 9 multiplied by 9 is 81.
Yes.
And then we put 1 and then 8. So then I didn't understand what to do.
Yeah,
9
here.
and so 8 is 8. And then there's up. So 9 times 8, it's gonna be 72.
Because we have 8 here in your hand. Now we need the result will be 0. Because R is 0. 9 times what? Time what? Plus 8 equals with 0. Only 9 times 8 is 72. Plus 8 is 80. So will be here, A is 8. Then R equal to 0.
I don't understand. I understand until I told you, like we do 9 multiplied by P, which is 9, it will be 81. Then we put with the T will be 1.
Is the screen is clear? The answer is A. All right, the answer is A. Okay, the answer is A. Okay, now question number 24.
Can I read?
Can I read?
Can I read?
Okay, Ali, so free, please, Ali.
A particular integer is the smallest multiple of 72, each of whose digits is either 0 or 1.
Right. What will I do here? Yalla, my student.
You simplify 72. 72 equals 9 times 8.
So 12.
Here,
No.
72, we can factor 72. It is 9 times what? Times 8, right? So now we want to find the number is divisible by 9. When the number is divisible by 9, if you add the digits, it is 9 and multiple. Look, if I have 18, is a multiple of 9. Is it divisible by 9? Why? We add digit.
Yes.
Is 9.
Yes.
So divisible by 9. Okay, now, when 7, 2, and 6. So when ask me, is it divisible by 9? We add them. We add digit. Look, we add digit. 1 plus 7 plus 2 plus 6. So it is what? 16 is not divisible by 9. If we put 8 here, when you add them is 18, divisible by 9. So when the number is divisible by 9, you add the digit is 9 or multiple of 9. I have only 0 and 1. So you put 1, how many? Yes, 9, 1. Right?
Nice.
Now this number divisible by 9. Okay, how divisible by 8? So, yeah, the ones 10,000, that's divisible by 8. Like this, 10 is divisible by 8. Is it 10
No.
divisible by 8? No. We put 0. Okay. 100 divisible by 8? No.
No.
1,000 divisible by 8?
Yes.
Yes, 1,000 divisible. Okay. Now, how many digits I have?
12.
It is what? How many digits?
12.
12 digits.
12 digits.
Yes.
Mr.
12
I didn't
digits.
understand. Me too.
Okay, I will be explaining in Arabic.
أستاذ متى حترسل الريكورد؟
Okay. اللينك حق ايش؟ Okay, the last question.
حقت الدرس.
Hey, after finish the class. Okay.
Can I read?
Yeah, you can read. Okay, read please.
All four shown in the diagram are to be placed in the 4x4 grid so that all 16 cells are covered and there is no overlap. Each piece can be rotated or reflected before being placed, and the black dot is visible from both sides. How many of the 16 cells grid could contain the black dot?
Yes. What will I do here? How many contain the black dot? Look, like Basel. You know Basel?
Yes.
Here, Basel here. We want to put, yes, okay, wait. Here, this. We can put also another way. Yes. Then also like this. So you have many ways to do it.
No, how?
Yes. You have many ways to do it. The black one, look, the black one will be here, 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 here. If you change also the position, yeah, you will be getting any square. How many squares inside? It's 16. So the position will be what? 16 here. So the answer is 16. Because the black one will be for all square. So the answer is 16. Okay, my student?
Okay.
It's easy. L-shaped
Okay, we will take the last question also. We have a time. Here. Number 26. Okay, who want to read?
Mr. Can I
Me,
read?
Mr.
Yeah, okay, read please.
Who? Oh, yeah, Mr.
Okay, read.
Who?
Osama.
Okay. The faces of a cube are painted so that any two faces which have an edge in common are painted different colors. What is the smallest number of colors required?
The smallest. In the
6.
cube, how many faces I have in the cube? 6, right? So
Yes.
we divided 6 divided by how many colors? Two
Two.
colors.
6 divided by
Then we get what? 3.
3.
Teacher, what is the answer of 20?
We need 3. The answer of what? Questions?
Mister, how did we get the answer?
25.
Yes, can you repeat it? 26.
Mister, how did we get the answer?
The cube equals 3.
two يعني colors. ف 6 divided by 2 is equal to 3.
Wait, إيش قلتي؟
Teacher, I don't really understand this.
Mr. can I
والكيوب
Can you just tell us how?
والكيوب له 6 faces. طيب وبعدين هم قالوا هنا any two faces you have to be painted different colors, they two different colors. طيب والكيوب فيه له 6 faces and 2 colors, so 6 divided by 2 is equal to 3.
Now I understand. Mister, I can't hear you.
There isn't any sound.
الأستاذ يمشي الماوس بس ما يرد.